Howdy folks, so today I wanted to highlight a plugin that I've heard of recently that is pretty cool, kind of taking the WordPress world by storm because so many of us rely on Google for so many features of our website. And that plugin is called Sitekit by Google. The space is really important. I did this search without the space between the word site and kit and found the wrong thing. But Sitekit by Google is what I'm looking to install, and so if I install that and activate it, we can check out what it offers us. So I'm getting that common Google look right there. So if I click Start Setup, I can then tell it that I want to sign in with Google to give Sitekit access to my account. All sounds good to me. I'll click through that real quick. Allow it to access Search Console. Allow it to manage my domains. Sounds good. I'm gonna just assume everything is correct. Click through all that stuff. Nothing interesting happening here. And then I am back on my WordPress dashboard where I expect to see some cool things. So I'm not running AdSense on this site, so I don't really mind that it's telling me my ad blocker is stopping it from working. I've connected it to Search Console, and it can tell me how many impressions I'm getting in search results right here from my WordPress dashboard. Unsurprisingly, we're doing very well for double wall coffee cups and coffee mugs, gift for coffee snobs, that kind of stuff. That's kind of where we've always focused for SEO reasons on this coffee website that I run. I can also connect in other services, like let's pull in analytics. I'm going to have the same auth flow there, a bunch of letting it do things. I don't know why I have to click so many times, but presumably there's a law or UI convention that is causing Google to do that. But this is where we're starting to see this power of Sitekit from Google, is that I can actually see my analytics in my dashboard. I can see my Search Console in my dashboard. I can see that most of our traffic on the site is coming from organic search results rather than from something else. I just got an email from Google that said I'd given it access to stuff. So this is just a little bit of the power of Google Sitekit. I can also turn on Page Speed Insights so it can tell me how quick or slow my page is. That was as simple as a quick hit, and it's down here preparing that report for me right now. I don't actually know what this site is going to score on that, so 74 on mobile, 95 on desktop. That's part of the reason Google might like this site a lot. Anyway, so Sitekit is a great little plugin to give you a bunch of connections to all of your Google properties from right in your WordPress site. So you don't have to necessarily go log into Google Search Console once you've authed your site up. You can just see where you are in as if you're in Search Console right here in your WordPress dashboard, or how your analytics are doing right here in your WordPress dashboard. It's a pretty cool set of features. I can also connect more services like Tag Manager or Optimize, and I can disable or enable it, giving Google some extra telemetry data, as they say, on me. So that is how Sitekit from Google works.